Michael and the bullies are back.
Oh, why is he mad? Ow!
If you want to see Michael's video, Michael don't have a YouTube channel.
I do, but I didn't post anything.
Yeah, but this is my friend, and we're playing Hybrid Animals, a game nobody plays anymore.
Okay, I'm begging you.
If you want to friend us, don't. But here's Michael's username and my username.
This is not that mommy.
Mine's not Kamale. It's Big B Killer. 7 a.m. in the morning, I'll be on for 2 minutes and 38 seconds.
No, Philly died!
Anyways, World War II inside this.
He's whipping.
We're at the end of the world. Alright, I'm not.
Imagine.
It turned white. But my heart is beating.
But your hands are pieces.
Like, I think I actually understand the word.
Are you falling? No, you didn't. Just now.
Keep going. No, look. My rage thing tells me something snow.
What?
Say that, Michael.
No, it's just it's not loaded in. Yeah. It's just now. You want nothing, just now. How do you just start with it? Media. Lock.
Oh no. Oh no, Michael, they know. I know my hybrids.
I'm gonna start naming after you.
Beans, drugs, that's how we win all that. Alright, I'm back. You're a bandit? Like, we want a band-aid for your band fade.
How have you been fighting in
Battle! I'm not black, by the way. That's all those things I said. They're racist. Sue me. Michael just broke his head in 2 pieces. What does it say about that, Michael?
Look it, I got a new power. That's what you want. Everything.
Michael died.
I got it with disguise.
Hey,
That fucking retarded.
dumb.
Hey, find a mansion. I wanna be rich. Suck my
Bro said, I have my opportunity.
Oh my
I have my dick.
Why are you so weird?
Michael, where am I?
What the fuck? Where are you?
Okay, Mighty. I don't like that power, but I might be able to use it whenever I see something. Maybe it'll come in handy. Nobody knows. No. But handy dandy.
But. I just said it.
Weave. What?
Impossible mode.
Wait, I already know that.
Is that a mansion?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, I have 5 hours to do it. Impossible mode is actually impossible.
How do you know? You already tried it?
Yeah, I've tried this.
how to catch a baby phoenix? First, write 6 animals in Olympus.
Sorry guys, had to see that. Okay, now I'm gonna edit this video when it's done. I'm gonna add some reload.
Are you done already?
No, not yet. But I'm gonna edit this.
No. It's on the side of the bed. Wait, I'm doing something and it's super hard.
Just pause the game, bro. Michael, your mom's gonna remember that.
I'll do it. I'll get it in a little bit. God damn. What the heck? How long does this go for? How long does it been? I got it almost every single one. I didn't miss like 2,000.
How'd you do it?
I'm 96%. I don't think I can get the mansion, bro.
Do you guys think we should get the mansion? Put that in the comments. Anyways, time for another epic cut. Oh no, it's the IRS. They've come to get me.